Hi guys, welcome back to Whatever Wednesday. This is a very special video because Sasha is turning 17 years old. Yay! So her birthday is December 12th and she was born in the year 2000. So, yeah, there she is as a little kitten. She's the tiniest little thing you ever saw. She was hanging out by the sink many moons ago, 17 years ago to be exact. And she has been the drama queen of the house. She is the one that is always bossing me around and yelling at me, but that's okay because I wouldn't have it any other way. And here she is over by the window, this apartment. Oh my goodness. Left this apartment maybe a long time ago. 7 years ago. But yeah, she was over by the window. She's laid down on a radio and she is hoping to catch some sun. So there she is enjoying her kitten life by the window. I wish I had better cameras 17 years ago, but that's okay. And here she is. Oh, she's just so absolutely gorgeous, but of course I'm being biased. And she is sticking her tongue out, and this was just taken at the perfect moment. And I put a little fun things on her face so you can tell she is the drama queen. I brought her to see my dad today. So the video today, you are going to see clips of my dad and clips of my dad's apartment. So stay tuned if you want to check that out. And you should, because it's Sasha. Hi, Titi's. Hi, baby. I say happy birthday to you. Whose birthday is it? Huh? Huh? Oh, Gigi. Where you going? I said, happy birthday to you. No? Huh? Hurry up and jump already. Chacha. No, Daddy, se va a ir. Titi. Whose birthday is it, Sasha? Sasha, is your birthday? Huh? Happy birthday to you. Okay, I won't sing. Is it? Hi. You're so pretty. Sasha. Sasha, who's that? Sasha, who's that? Hmm? You think because it's your birthday you can ignore me? Okay, fine. You gonna show me your butt? Yeah? Why you gonna show me your butt? Huh? Sasha. Hi. Sasha. Who's ignoring you? Huh? Sasha, who's ignoring you? What happened? I can't help you. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, so she got gray hairs overnight. I'm not ready for that. She's not supposed to have gray hairs. She's too young. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. And leave me some comments down at this comment section if you want to wish her a happy birthday or whatnot. Or if you have fur babies, let me know what type of fur babies you have and how old they are and what they are. I know we have a squirrel amongst the mix, and I saw a video of her the other day, and hopefully we'll see more videos. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.